Hello guys, and oh no, I think these chickens have brought a curse. And what the heck is going on? Why is there raw chickens and experience all over the place? All over the place. Wow, and I'm getting a lot. There must have been a lot of dead chickens. Hopefully the tank is empty, because I think too many chickens is what's causing this. Come to me, my orbs of experience. Oh, yay! 20 levels! And how much is on here? Wow. I'm just watching my XP bar go up. Slowly but slowly. It's either all this XP or the lag. Because I don't even know. 23 raw chickens. How did I get that much? I'm just gonna one tiny baby chicken. And yeah. I'm killing all these chickens, or at least letting them despawn, because I can't take it. And since Pirate why do I keep on saying Pirate Prince instead of Pirate King? Pirate King 82 came in, and he was the one who splashed XP all over. I'm gonna kill myself. No, that's a bad idea. Luckily, this chicken wandered to the edge. To the edge of the Colosseum. But I will. Oh my God, is this chicken? This chicken has taken a seat. I think these chickens are like hiding under the table. I'll let them live. Bang! They also built this passageway of glass. I'm gonna go like this. Let's see. Let's do an experiment. This is where the lag is most intense. Oh my God. My inventory is going to be full of eggs, isn't it? You are joking. Eggs for days. It's like... That's a lot of eggs. Woo, 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 woo. Yes. Come on, I'm pressing shift as hard as I can. Yes, chickens, flutter down. Flutter down. Go. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just trying to kill as many chickens as possible. Maybe all the lag will stop when they all despawn or something. Yeah. No! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh dear. The chickens, I want to see the chickens like, or maybe their fluttering is causing them to go wrong. Why aren't they all going away? No, 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 no. No. Dang it. Some more chickens to kill. Wait, I don't want chickens to kill. They were a nice source of food while they lasted. But sadly, this cage has got to go. Bye, chicken. Bye-bye. There's a lot of fluttery chickens. Go. Go, my chickens, go. I'm gonna start punching them. Because maybe they'll run around like fall off or something. I wanna just like a chicken. Bye, little chickens. I want a hen. Oh my god, that's a lot. Bop, 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 bop. No. Bye bye. What a glitch. Woohoo! Come on, destroy the bottom of this cage. Bye-bye, chickens that are causing so much pain. The dirt block shall not live any part of him, even his agents. They weren't really, they're just like despawn. I don't know, does that count as dying? Bye-bye everyone. No, go down. Bye-bye. Woohoo! Punch all the chickens. Make them all come on. Yay. I'm hungry. Wheel! I need to make less space. Oh my god. Bye-bye, chickens. And this is just what I'm doing at the beginning of this episode. After this, you probably guessed it by now, but I'm going, you probably guessed by now, I have no clue what I'm gonna do. No! Yes. You're joking. That's a lot of chickens. There should be only a few chickens left. Hello? No! A lot of chickens. And because they were all getting like mished up all together. And now I'm getting mishy-mushy down. I'm wishy-washy. Hello. Hey, what's up? Bye-bye, chickens. Farewell, you're the last chicken standing, and you are a very horrible man. Listen, you shall not fail, for I, the only one no! You're joking. That's a lot of chickens. Come back here. I'll make sure that little chicken dies in sorrow. 'Cause I want an Bye bye. Bye bye. Woohoo! I'm gonna go to sleep now. I fell from a high place a dozen times. Actually, a dozen. During this episode, I will be building something. And I will be building, maybe I could build, got any ideas for me, Sherlock? I have no ideas for you today, Pirate Prince 34. Perhaps you could build me and the polar bear Lenny a nice home, baby, if you could. Bro, first of all, Lenny has a nice home, and I'm not giving you anything. You were one of those chickens that just sentenced to death. Wait a sec, you just sentenced all the chickens to death? That's right, Sherlock, I did. Why would you do that? I wonder why. Because my best friend was one of them. Oh, really? What did your best friend look like? He was short, and his eyes, they were very wonky. And I'm just sad to see it go. I heard that he was the last one to standing. Oh yeah, that little chicken I tortured. You tortured him? I hate you. One day I'm going to revolt. Oh, shut up. You got that? Just shut up and don't say anything, will you? You are telling me to shut up? Yes, I am. Reshy Lamb. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Yes, chicken. Stop him. Ow! He's attacking me! Sherlock, you're letting these chickens loose. Yes, get out of here. Bye-bye. Oh. Hello. I wanna get. That was better. But shouldn't I have got, like, cooked chickens? Get away. Who's a good one? Who's a good one? You are. No! Oh my god. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Ooh. You already have enough chicken, so follow me, boy. Follow me. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. What a glorious sight, me and Tiberius and Albert. Better take a screenshot! Yay! Let's go, I'm having funerals, you see, for this video. I'm not building anything. Where's Tiberius? Tiberius, no! Did he? Ty? Beery. Tiberi. Us. Tiberi. Tiberius Wange. Oh, there you are. Follow me. Tiberius. Ty. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Now, if you would just, like, move along here, you see, Ty? Like, you can move over there. Because we are building a tree. And he's like looking at me like, really? And we're not building any dumb old tree. We're building a remembrance tree for Bob. After Bob, with those evil blazes, he, let's just say he's not here anymore. So, anyway, I need this and leaves. 32. I think that should do it. Or should I get my shears? Or where are my shears? Oh, my shears are in here. Do I not have shears? But I'll exchange 1 diamond for shears, which is 2 iron. Bye-bye, diamond. I'm sending you to the nether. You got that? So stay put. And there goes the diamond. You can pull the bear, Lenny. You're not that mean, old Sherlock. Got Sherlock was bad. He got what was coming. I wanna help, tell me apart. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I'm cutting lots of leaves. Lots of leaves. Come on, I have 6. Yeah, I think that's enough. So I'm gonna start building. No. I did not just nearly do that, did I? No. I'm gonna build a little bridge. How cute. Leaves. Remembrance bridge. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not even using this. I'm using what I gathered up in the last episode. These. And what are these, you ask? These are logs. So I'm going like a wonky pattern you see on this. Wonky. Like this, like this, and like this. Now first let's build the logs, and then and if I go like this and like this, put that there, put that there. It sort of looks like a tree, a very wonky tree. Da, da. And wait, did my game just freeze? Oh no, it didn't. There's something there. That's Bob's grave. I feel like he's putting his hand on it. Hello, Tiberius. Now, leaves. I'm gonna make him a big bushy beard. Now, every part, like this, I'll put at least 1 leaf. there, some leaves there, some leaves there, some leaves there. Some leaves there, leaves there, leaves there, and some leaves there. Dun 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 dun. I'm building a tree. I'm building a tree. I wanna be free like a tree. Okay, and now let's just spread leaves randomly. Cause who cares? Okay, I need to connect these and then like this. Yes. Yeah, I can't even see, but I don't even care because I'm going to go like this. This. Let's go over memory lane. So sad. Not. It's not like, oh. I can't believe it that all the chickens are gone. Just makes me want to do parkour. And of course I failed the parkour because there's an arrow. There's an arrow. How does it look? It sucks. Let's go and trim it. I thought it would look better with the leaves nearly touching the ground. Apparently not. Apparently everybody else, likes the leaves high up. So, geez, people, why do you gotta be so sensitive as a slab of wood? Huh? So maybe if you look back on this, not everything's covered in grass. I think we're gonna make fun of me, and by that I mean me. It sucks even more, but I don't even care because if I do this parkour, I'm giving myself 25 diamonds, and I will be looking at one eye. Now, I'm not lying. And I swear to God I'm not lying. But no! No! I did it. 25 diamonds. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. If I go down there right now and I kill one Enderman, I will give myself, I don't even know, something good. Let me think. 25 diamonds. Blabbermouth. Yuck. Let's take some pumpkin pie and baked potatoes. One Enderman. Let's roll. Wow, I'm a warrior. I'm an executioner, except I'm not the one with the bow. Sad face. Whoa. That is a lot of chicken, and there's a creeper after me. He's gonna blow up. There's an Enderman. I'm joking. Where's the Enderman? Okay, how about this? Instead of an Enderman, since there's none, 5 skeletons. No, 5 creepers, because skeletons burns too easy. Keep the creepers away from the zombies. Fire some projectiles. 1, 2. 1. That's 2. It's 2. No, how about this? I have to get 15 gunpowder. whether I like it or not. 15 gunpowder, and gunpowder is equal to 5 rotten flesh and 2 bones. Yes, chicken, thanks for the eggs. How did I miss that? I missed it. And creepers and creeping their way away today. I could just nail them with eggs. I'm just nailing them. I'm just nailing this creeper with eggs. Did it actually hurt the creeper? Oh my god, it actually hurts the creeper. Yeah! And 15 gunpowder. And I got 0. You're joking. I'm just gonna get a load of eggs. And I don't even know why. I know, because I can use it as ammo. Ow. Hey, skeleton, you wanna go? I got some ranged projectiles too. And I just hit a heap. A heap? A sheep. Ow. Oh my god, there's creepers. There's creepers. Creepers. God, there's creepers. Let me be free! I am the one. I am the one. I am the one who says pass the potatoes. It says pass the potatoes. It says pass the potatoes. 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 How much gunpowder? Yes. No gunpowder. Great. Hello, Spidey. Get back. Back. And since there's not enough creepers, how about this? I need to kill, how many chickens I kill in 10 seconds, how many diamonds? Okay. And how about this? Since I got 4 gunpowder, 15 seconds. Ah! Oh my god, I'm stuck in a flaming pit with a slime and everything. Run! How many chickens I can kill in 15 seconds? 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, oh yeah, 15. I counted, I got about, the feathers say, how much does the feather say? Any more feathers lying around here? Any? Yes, 17. Don't need a chicken. Why would I need a chicken? I need the feathers. 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 Wait a sec, did I throw my chicken out? I just thought. I can just bring these chickens up and eat them. Actually, no, I've been a total idiot. Why couldn't I just use the chickens as a count instead of the feathers? Wow. How about chickens and feathers? Not combined, but like feathers divided by 2 add. Okay, 17 plus 9 is... I'll just give myself 25. No, I'll give myself 21. 21. 21. Egomania, feather, bye-bye. killed by friggin' slime. Come on, Dave. Da 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 da. How many eggs does it take to kill a slime? Da 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 da. Da da da. That's a lot of baby chickens. Da 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 da. Why won't the slime just die? Why won't the slime die? It's turning red, but it's not dying. Will all my eggs like not kill it? You're joking. If these 2 stacks of eggs don't kill it, then I don't even know. The last egg. The power egg. Yeah! And how much hits? 1, 2. You're joking. I got it like down, not even half health. You're joking. You're jibbity jobbity jibbity jobbity jibbity jobbity jibbity jobbity jibbity jobbity joking. But for that, I need to give away, like since I got that special deal, I have to give away this, my iron helmet, and sadly, my iron sword. So I'm just gonna kill myself. Diamonds, diamonds, diamonds! Give me 20, 25. No, I just messed it up. No, 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 no. Diamond chest plate. Diamond leggings. Diamond boots. And a diamond helmet. Full diamond armor and a diamond left over so I can make an iron sword. I earned these diamonds. I earned them. I earned them. Oh my god. How does it feel? How does it feel to have the feeling of ultimate power? That's what I felt right now. As I sleep in my bed, I think how I could kill so much mobs with this powerfulest diamond armor. I thought about that, and I decided I was going to try it out in the next episode. So see you later, guys. Hope you like it. It's super shiny. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See ya.